say a command.
So it will be available on the App Store end of March. This was the announcement. So we have here already a Spotify version to show. So it will be in the future possible to use Spotify in the car without actually interacting directly on the mobile phone, meaning you don't have to fiddle around choosing playlists here or certain tracks you have on your device. Everything can be done then remotely via our infotainment system Sync. You see here, phone is connected, in this case an iPhone. We also support Android devices and Blackberries. The phone is connected to the infotainment system. And in case of the Spotify, to demonstrate that, you would start your Spotify. You see there's a variation of playlists you have once created with your favorite songs. And actually, if you start to drive now, you don't have to touch the mobile phone anymore. You can do everything via your voice or other control means of the infotainment system. Now there's a set of voice commands that are per default available on the Sync system, like mobile applications. You can ask for help. If you are lost somehow in the context, you will get some guidance. And if you would like to connect to Spotify, in this case now you would say mobile applications to get there. Let's do that.
USB, please say a command.
Mobile apps.
Mobile apps, please say a command.
No, choose Spotify. Spotify. So you are connected now to Spotify. You see it has changed. You don't see the playlist anymore, and you can't choose anything on the mobile device within Spotify anymore. This is blocked, the so-called lock screen. As mentioned before, you don't have to handle this device manually anymore. So, meaning you're maybe not aware of all the voice commands supported by the application. You can, as mentioned, always ask for help, and you can read out a list of voice commands you might use now for Spotify. Let's do that.
Spotify, please say a command.
Help.
Spotify, help. You can say shuffle, choose playlist, start track, repeat on,
So all
play
those
music, recently
commands,
play start,
they
play
read out now from the application offered to you. And if you don't know what you should choose, you can always use help then. Let's assume you want to choose one of your playlists you have created there on Spotify. You say, choose playlist.
Please choose a playlist to play.
Now you can name the playlist or ask again for help and you get all the playlists read out. So let's say 80s. So now it starts to play titles within your playlist 80s. There are many more comments you can ask what's playing there actually.
Spotify, please say a command.
What's playing?
Sync has detected a pattern
But what you can see there is all those voice commands that are specified by the application, or the app developer can by that define how he would like to guide you through the functions of the application, and you don't have to test it anymore, so you can travel in a safe manner and anyway use all the functionalities within your app. So this is a main purpose of AppLink, or that's what AppLink is offering. So in order to do so as an app developer, you can just go to our developer website. It's developer.ford.com. Register there. Everything is for free. You can download the SDK. You get access to the software sources you need for developing on Android, iOS, BlackBerry. And you integrate the library. You have then the APIs to use a display there. You can show text, as you have seen the metadata from some titles there popping up. You can use the text-to-speech engine to give out an audio prompt to the driver for some announcement. You can use a voice recognition engine to specify voice commands you would like to use within your app. You can subscribe here to control elements, so if you think you would like to be notified when the user presses here some buttons, if it makes sense to your application, you can get a notification then once the driver has pressed here some knobs, depends what you want to create with that. So this is the concept of AppLink.
And will it, in what languages will it be launched?
This is a North American setup. It's since more than 2 years in North America now on the market. We have announced this car here. It's a Ford EcoSport. It's already available in Brazil, but this car will be launched by end of the year in Europe. And from then on, this is the first car. From then on, every car will have Sync and AppLink on board. So the feature you can't buy, for example, AppLink itself. It's part integrated in Sync. So you will have a Sync unit in every Ford car produced then. And Sync you don't have to buy, it's a default configuration feature. It's just in the car. If you buy a Ford car, from beginning and end of the year, it will have Sync and AppLink. And it will support all the languages also, so French, German, Italy, Spanish, whatever. And the same happens in Asia, so it's a global rollout. So that happens now within the next months or year. Perfect.
Great. Okay. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.